From the shadows, the serpent prepared to strike.
In the heart of the jungle, a fragile peace hid a lurking terror.
The mother fought, but the beast's coils held firm.
There! The calf is trapped!
The serpent's crushing grip grew tighter.
The calf's strength was fading fast.
Stay down! I'll cover you.
The jungle trembled as mother and beast clashed, while the calf's life slipped away.
Cut deeper. Don't let go.
Heave!
But the serpent's fury was far from spent. The monster rose, crushing life with every coil.
She's fighting with us! Don't stop! Bleed, beast! Let go of the calf!
Every strike, every bite bought precious seconds.
It's breathing! Don't let up! Keep fighting!
The beast's fury shook the forest. A mother's rage collided with the monster's might.
Keep its head, Biz. I'll strike now. Hold the line. Don't let it break us. Together. Strike now, or lose her forever!
Man and beast fought as own against the serpent.
Watch the head. Keep back.
The loyal hound risked everything as the calf's life hung by a thread.
Now, pull her free!
A flicker of life remained in the calf's breath. The mother's fury shook the jungle itself. Courage met fangs in the heart of the jungle.
All together! Break it now!
The serpent's armor cracked under united strength.
The calf, it's free.
But the monster was not finished yet.
The hunters became the hunted.
It's caught! Hold the ropes tight! Hold stead. Don't let it touch the calf.
jungle trembled under the beast's fury.
The monster would not die. It would flee.
Defeated, the beast vanished into the jungle.
Breathe, little one, you are safe now.
Easy now. You are safe.
A mother's love stood stronger than fear.
We did it. Together.
Life returned to the young one's eyes.
In courage and unity, they had saved a life.
Against all odds, the calf rose again.
In gratitude, the wild remembered its friends.
The night of terror gave way to a dawn of hope. Courage and loyalty had prevailed.
Together, they stood victorious in the heart of the jungle.